For boring PCB, we give it some industrial design. Design is a serious attitude. Redesigned the VS4-10 lamp cup and back cover. Brighter headlights from Cree-X lamp, and low beam or high beam integration assembly. Paired with Cree's original optical lens. Pay tribute to the prototype, incorporating the design details of the Scout element. Original seamless compatible assembly. Tail lighting module. About control lighting, everyone will think of it. Power always on. Physical switch. Even the third channel, remote control. We think a new experience. No need for extra connection. Direct plug-in receiver to take power. Modular connection headlight assembly. Touch, turn on your lights. And can switch low beam or high beam. Long touch can adjust the current light brightness. From dark to bright, bright to dark. Only need your fingers to touch. Adjust any brightness. Release your finger to maintain brightness and remember. About brightness and lighting effect. Low beam or high beam and light tangent with real optical effect, and a maximum light intensity of 339 lumens. Promise dimming, whether it is night or dusk, can meet your lighting world simulation needs. Even wire, no compromise. Stick to black, soft, fine, and hand wound. Only to enhance the user experience. We believe that this is what the new generation of lighting experience should look like.